Good afternoon, dear colleagues. As you know, today we make a special day, special podcast day exactly, and with a question discussing how to make English lesson more interesting.
Yes, you're right. That's the most important question that we should analyze and discuss together. Nowadays, English lessons are characterized by a variety of methods and approaches. And learning English is not limited with grammar or vocabulary tasks. Nowadays, you can conduct English lessons with following steps. The first one is using digital tools. The next one is authentic materials and artificial intelligence, and also interactive methods.
Use of authentic material in English language class, it helps to create learning process close to the language environment and helps to can develop student skills in using the language in a real context. Authentic materials are specific English language videos, audios, and other materials. The type of authentic materials can be used that videos and movies, audio materials, newspapers, magazines, and guidebooks, and social media, fiction, and short stories.
Nowadays, we have good result for authentic material, exactly student's guide. The use of student's guide in the English language classes allows a systematical consolidate material in the learning process. And also, this student's guide provides a structured set of exercises and tasks that help students to improve our English skills, grammar, and vocabulary.
We paid attention to the fact that the outer design of the student's guide consisted of colorful paints. It creates the students' interest about the lesson. The first page of the student's guide is devoted to the introductory part of the lesson. The student understands the topic of the lesson and writes the lesson objectives. Creating a positive psychological environment is important during the learning process. Special affirmations are written for students. Students read these words aloud and get motivation for the lesson. And they express their mood with special given stickers.
We use the dictation method to check homework. Students should write down the translation of the given 8 words. Students evaluate themselves according to the descriptor. We will explain a new topic to start the main part of the lesson. In order to have a comprehensive understanding of the new topic, we have given the rules as a table for students to remember the material visually. And students will have the opportunity to understand a new topic with QR code using the TikTok method. We use the worksheet method to perform the first task. Students fill in the blanks with the necessary words. Students evaluate themselves using the descriptor.
In the second task of the main part, using the story method, students create a story with a plot using a new topic. If students use prepositions, 1 point. Understand the text and describe the pictures exactly according to the plot is 2 points. Pronounce word without mistakes, 1 point. So, in total, they get 10 points.
So, in conclusion, they write their total points in this circle. So you can notice that each picture consists of different colored elements. The correct use of colorful elements allows you to make the content more visual and attractive. Colorful elements increase visibility and make it easier to perceive information. Students provide feedback through the Mentimeter platform. And at the end of the lesson, students express their feelings through stickers. Students use the 3-2-1 technique to provide feedback. They write 3 things learned in the lesson, write 2 interesting things, prepare 1 question related to the lesson. This is how the students conclude the lesson. And the main thing, they take the guidebook with them, and the most important that they can go home and repeat the lesson, because the guidebook is the most convenient book.
Also, in our free time, we can organize the project work
our students among book lovers. And also you can use the guidebook, which is called Skill Up. Skill Up guidebook contains the books that we read with students, questions related to the book, tasks related to the plot of the text. Each task is structured by the teachers. They read one book in 1 month, summarize the book, analyze it, and they fill it in a guidebook. They rate the book with a score, write down new words that they learned from the book, write their favorite character and favorite phrase from the book.
In conclusion, guidebooks are very useful, especially when it comes to complete all these tasks and specific tasks or learning something new. They often aim to explain complex process in simple way, and these allow you to read material and learn exactly and learn quickly and also immediately apply to practice. Guides allow you to perform specific tasks step by step. It helps the reader apply the knowledge in practice. And in conclusion, guidebooks are very valuable tools in the educational process.